back to my channel Awesome Codings. This is my first facecam video with a new project calculator. You will be amazed with it. So let's go to my computer. So guys, we are in my computer. Here's my code of calculator in PyCharm, and as you can see there are buttons and lot of buttons and def. So let's start, and let me show you the every button of the calculator. Here it is. Here's my calculator, pretty good. And then let us first check addition button. 112 any number, and then plus 777. Here's the answer, 889. And then for minus, use this minus 889. Let's check whether it gives 0 or not. Equals to, here it is 0, and then the divide button. For that we should give a number. So C is also working, any number, and here it is 5, so it is divisible with 5. So divide 5 equals to, and here's the number. C again, it works. Now check the multiply button, and new number, multiply 96700. Here's the number again, C. Let's check the root button. So let's take 256, and the root 16, again the root 4, again the root 2. Wow. So how's the calculator? This is 0th video. So in next video we'll make the calculator quite different. We'll make the background better, and we'll add a 0 button. So thank you.